Hello and welcome to the episode of Merry Thanksgiving Christmas. So subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. Make sure you check out my holidays playlist so you can get more recipes for the holidays. Okay, so for our sweet potato pie, I'm starting with 4 medium-sized yams, sweet potatoes. I'm just going to place these in the oven. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. I'm not going to move these around, they don't fit in here. There we go. So they're all in there now. Just going to place these in the oven for about an hour and a half. So my yams are finally done. I'm going to let these sit for about 10-15 minutes, let them cool, and then I'll begin to peel them. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients that I use to make my sweet potato pie. Now, you're going to need yams, but they're not in the shot, of course, but you're going to need lemon juice, some flour, eggs, brown sugar, white sugar, evaporated milk. We got all our spices in here. I'll leave everything in the description box below. 2 sticks of butter and then some vanilla extract. So this is what you'll need in the yams. And then I'm going to be using store-bought pie crust. These are Pillsbury. There's 2. They didn't have deep dish style, so I just got these ones. You can make your pie crust if you decide you want more work to do on Thanksgiving or Christmas, but I'm not doing that, so I have already bought these. So let's get started with mixing everything up. So in the meantime, I'm going to melt my 2 sticks of butter. So now that the yams are cooled off, I'm going to peel them and put them in a bowl. I'm going to mix in the flour and the evaporated milk. Tablespoon and a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so I have my store-bought pie crust. I'm going to pour some of the mix in one. And I have a lot of mix left because these are like smaller crust. So I have to get some more, but I probably can get about good 3 pies. I have a deep dish crust, pie crust pan. Alright, so these are good to go. I'm going to put these in the oven on 350 for about an hour. Alright, so our pies are all done. They're looking very good. I left these in for 50 minutes, probably like more like 55 minutes, because once they were done at 50 minutes, I left them in for an additional 5 minutes. So this is the color. This is what they look like. And I got these on a cooling rack. I'm gonna let them cool off, and then once they cool off, I'll go ahead and cut into them. Looking and smelling delicious. We're gonna go ahead and cut a piece. The pie finally cooled down, so let me just cut. So here it is, the sweet potato pie. It's very delicious, guys. I can't wait for you to try it. I hope you do. So this is what it looks like. Let me just turn it around so you can see the other side. It's just simply delicious. You can see all those spices in there. So give it a try. And if you do try it, please let me know how it turns out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you do check out my other holiday videos. I have macaroni and cheese, greens, cornbread stuffing, yams, all that other good stuff, holiday cookies. And I'll have some more recipes coming for the holidays as well. So I'll catch you guys next time. And you all have a good day, good night. Bye.